You can do it. She did such a good job. She jumped from the wall up to the grill. So she is learning. Look, that was a nice little leap. So she's learning. Nice, sweet baby. I love you. I love you. Oh my goodness. I love you too.
What's going on here?
Hi, baby.
What's going on?
Are you hungry? You want to go eat? You want to go eat? Let's go eat. Come on. Let's get our food. Let's get the food. Come on. I'm messing. Oh my word.
This morning, we met at 5:30 for coffee
Hi.
and a walk. At 6, we went to
Hi,
our
sweet
annual
baby.
meeting in the garden at St. Javon has been diligently working his program. I don't see him doing anything that would jeopardize his recovery.
Look. So you're gonna live in a tree, and this is what it's gonna be like. You're gonna live in a tree, okay? It's gonna be fun.